Okay, go on.
All right, so we're gonna look at the forearm of the rabbit right here. So this little guy right here will be the extensor carpi radialis longus. And then right next to it will be the extensor carpi radialis brevis. This one right here, kind of in the middle of the arm, will be the extensor digitorum hominis. And then right next to that, so this little guy right here, will be the extensor Digitorum lateralis. And how you can know that is because it's in the lateral side of the arm. And then the one at the bottom is the extensor carpi ulnaris. Then we kind of flip the rabbit around. Let's see. So this one right here will be our flexor carpi ulnaris right here. And then right next to it will be the flexor digitorum profundus. This one right here. This one right here, this little guy right here, will be the flexor carpi radialis. And then this tiny one is kind of really attached to the muscle. You can kind of see it right here. That will be the Pronator Teres. And then if you kind of look, this also will be our extensor carpi radialis longus, which will be the same one as the one we're gonna show right here. And last thing, I just wanted to go over the chest a little bit. So it's kind of hard to tell in the rabbit where the muscles start and end. But the two you should really know will be this one, which is the pectoralis tenuis, and then this whole area right here is the pectoralis major.
Smile.
Hey.